Okay, so some of the things you can think about is just kind of making swoopy. That's what I just kind of call it. You can also do zigzaggy any way that you like on there. It can even be an up and down if that's what you prefer. You can try out something that's kind of like a crosshatch. So just lines going in different directions is another way that you can go through and you can try this out. Some other things that we talked about was dotted. So this one takes a little bit longer, but sometimes dotted is nice when you're a little bit angry on there, just saying. And then maybe even try a spiral. And a spiral can be circular, which could even continue on, or it could be something that's more square. And then just figure out, how are you going to put on, where are you going to put your beaks, where are you going to put your eyes, put some legs on here. I mean, I think that all of these could be splendid doodle birds any way that you really see fit. So you can see it takes very little to make these cute little guys really come out and about. And sometimes I color in the beaks, sometimes I don't. So really play around, have a little bit of fun. I mean, seriously, they're super cute. How can you not like these guys, right? There you go. All right, have fun with making some doodle birds.